everybody, how you guys doing? So this is Sikoro Mobile. So customer states, you know, car running rough, and what we got here is p0302, which says cylinder 2 misfire detected. So as you can see, car is running rough with the check engine light. You know, check engine light is on, you know, VSC light is on, and car is running rough. So let's see what we can find out. You know, open up the hood. You don't need too much tools for this. So you can see the check engine light is blinking. So let's see. This back plug and this. So hood is open. As you can see, car is running rough. So you don't need too much tools for this. Just simple tools. So let's see. So this is the firing order is, this is this is number 2, that's number 1. So let's see why we're having this misfire here. So as you can see, nothing. You know, the coil, I think the coil is no good. So luckily I have a coil. Let's see. So as you can see, this coil looks good. Looks like they changed this coil to aftermarket. So like aftermarket coils. Look at the crack. You know, so junk. So we're gonna put the original Toyota spark plug coil, you know, Toyota. So let's see what happens here. No good. So we're gonna turn it off, look at the spark plugs.
Yeah, so after replacing the messed up coil, so I'm using the customer's little scanner, just to delete the code, you know. So as you can see, I'm unplugging it. Check engine light is gone. You know, car runs good. You can see. So the next thing we're gonna do now is to put everything back together. You know, so as you can see right now, the engine is idling right. No mix fire, no nothing. So hope this video helps you. If you come across this video, just give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.